Can you switch accounts on Discord Mobile? Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you if it's possible to switch accounts on Discord Mobile app. But make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. What I'm going to do first is to go into the Discord app on my phone. Then when I'm on my Discord app, then we can see that there's no button to switch accounts on the Discord mobile app right now. And the reason for that is that Discord has not yet released this function for us. So hopefully though, we will get this function soon on the mobile app. But as of right now, there's not really a way to do this. But keep watching, I will show you how you can switch accounts anyway. So what you need to do is to click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Now what you need to do is to scroll down, almost all the way down until you see where it says log out. And that is exactly where you will need to click. But make sure that you know your login details for this account so that you don't lose the account. So when you have logged out of your Discord account, then you can log into your other Discord account instead. So let me know in the comments below if you have questions. I will try to answer to as many as I can, so don't hesitate to ask. And also, don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be useful to you. Thank you very much for watching and I wish you an awesome day.